Hello everyone, welcome to Mocktail Plaza. Today I'll tell you one more mocktail. Mocktail name is Blackcurrant Velvet. How to make Blackcurrant Velvet? First of all, take a shaker glass. Then you have to add some ice cube into the shaker glass. If you want, you can add some more ice cube. Okay. Then you have to add some lemon juice. After that, you have to add some grape crush. Then you have to add some blackcurrant crush. Add some blackcurrant crush. After that, you have to add some lychee juice. Then you have to pour some grape juice. Then you have to shake all the ingredients properly. Just shake well. Then take in a type of fancy glass and pour all the ingredients. After that, you have to simply just fill the glass with Sprite. This is the blackcurrant velvet mocktail. I hope you like this mocktail. See how the fancy color came. Very fancy color came for this mocktail. Thank you very much for watching my video. Please like and subscribe my channel. Thank you.